How interest rates affect the stock market. Ever wonder why the stock market freaks out every time the Federal Reserve makes a move? Today, we're breaking down exactly how interest rates shape your investments, and what you should watch for as a beginner investor. The basics. Let's start simple. Interest rates are like the price of borrowing money. When the Fed raises or lowers these rates, it's not just banks that feel the change, the entire economy, including the stock market, reacts. Think of interest rates as the thermostat for the financial system. Turn it up, things cool down. Turn it down, things heat up. The chain reaction. Here's how it works. Higher interest rates make loans more expensive for businesses. That means companies pay more to borrow for growth, expansion, or even day-to-day operations. As borrowing gets pricier, profits can shrink. Investors see less potential for growth and may sell stocks, pushing prices down. On the flip side, lower interest rates make borrowing cheaper, helping businesses grow and making stocks more attractive. The investor's dilemma. It's not just companies, investors have choices. When interest rates rise, safe investments like bonds and savings accounts start to look more appealing compared to the risks of stocks. Money often flows out of the stock market and into these safer options, which can lead to further declines in stock prices. Real-world example. Let's put this into context. In 2024, the Federal Reserve kept rates above 4% to fight inflation. Small-cap stocks, companies with less cash and more debt, were hit hardest, while big companies with strong balance sheets weathered the storm better. This shows how sensitive different parts of the market can be to even small rate changes. What should beginners do? Don't panic with every Fed announcement. Focus on your long-term goals and diversify your investments. Pay attention to interest rate trends, but remember, markets move in cycles, and opportunities exist in every environment. Understanding interest rates is a game-changer for your financial journey. If you want more no-fluff tips on investing and growing your money, hit subscribe and check out our other beginner-friendly videos. Got questions about the stock market? Drop them in the comments.